Good morning, student. Today we'll see the next point, that is relation among trigonometric ratios. Here we have taken this triangle ABC. This B angle is 90 degree in triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degree. Okay. Angle C is theta. Then what is angle A? 90 minus theta. How it is 90 minus theta? Because we know in triangle the sum of three angle is 180 degree. So this is now 90. So remaining the sum of these two angle is 90, because 90 plus 90 180. So we assume one angle from them is theta, then another one is what? 90 minus theta. So using this you have to study some relation between this sine, cos, tan. Actually you have this year you have to study only these three ratios, sine, cos, tan, but I will take all these six ratios, because next year you have to study all these six ratios. That's why. Okay. Now first one, I will prove the first ratio. Remaining you can find the remaining all the ratios with the proof. Now suppose if I'll take here sine 90 minus theta. From the figure, now already you have solved the first exercise, that is in that practice set already you found that sine, cos, tan, how to find that one. Okay. Now sine 90 minus theta means this A angle. We know sine ratio means opposite side BC, okay, upon hypotenuse. This is the sine ratio. And if I find this cos theta, see first the relation we have to find this one. What is then cos theta? Cosine ratio, how it will? So it is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC. See this one. Cos sine 90 minus theta, we found this value BC upon AC, and cos theta is also BC upon AC. If this right hand side same, so can we say this sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta? Yes. So with the proof we can find this. If you find this all these ratios, suppose sine 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan, sec, cosec, cot, and then you find this one, you will get this relation between this. Sine minus 90 minus theta come cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta come sin theta. You can check by this way. These values are correct or not. Similarly, tan 90 minus theta come cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta come tan theta. Okay, this is the relation. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, and sec minus 90 minus theta is cosec theta. You can take one by one, just like this one. First one we found this one from the figure. From the figure you can check it. These all ratios are correct. So using this, one more important relation you have to study this one, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, this proof is given in the book. So you have to study this one, how this sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So study it properly. If any doubt, then you can ask me. Using the diagram, you just find the sine theta, or from this diagram also you can find sine theta, cos theta. Suppose we find this one. So what is sine theta? If sine theta, AB upon AC. Okay. And cos theta, if we have to find cos theta, BC upon AC from this figure. BC upon AC. So easily we can find this one. See, cos theta is equal to BC upon AC. If we take the square of this one, and we know this is right angle triangle. So in triangle ABC, if we apply by Pythagoras theorem, so it is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. See, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Because we have to use this one. Suppose this is equation first. Now, if we put this value, LHS is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, we have to prove this one is 1. How situated? Sine theta is AB upon AC. This is square. Cos theta BC upon AC. This is also square. So what is it? AB square upon AC square, BC square upon AC square. Okay. Now this AC square denominator is same. So it is AC square. And if we add this one, AB square plus BC square, okay, because denominator is same. And we know AB square plus BC square, what is the value? AC square. So we can put this value here, AC square, AC square. This is the value of numerator from the first upon this denominator AC square. Here we can write the reason from first. So this is cancel. So division come 1. So we proved sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. You can see in the notebook also. Then the next part, it is very important part. It is trigonometric ratios of particular angle. Actually, this proof is given in the book. You can study that one, but I will tell now today one simple method to find this all angles by easy method. Which method is easy? See now. If you have to know, if you know the all sine values, you can find remaining all 6 ratios. See how it will be. So sine ratio, if you have to find 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay. You take the value 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Divide all these values by 4 and take the square root of this one. Means square root of this, square root of this, square root of this. All values. These are the all values of sine this 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 90 like this. So we know 0 divided by any number, it is 0, and square root of 0 is come 0, means sin 0 value come 0. Here square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Square root of 1 is 1 and 2 is not perfect, so root 2 as it is. Here 3, square root 3 and square root of 4 is 2. Here 4 ones are 4. So square root of 1 is 1. If you found these all values, then remaining very easy you can find. You just take the reverse of this one for the cos. Means this cos sin 90 is this one cos 0, then root 3 upon 2, then 1 upon root 2, then 1 upon 2, then 0. You just reverse this value. Okay. Just reverse this value like this. Okay, and tan means the ratio of these two. We know division of these two means tan. 0 divided by 1, 0 come. Okay, see, very simple method. Easily we can find. Then this divided by this, then 2 cancel. So what remain? 1 upon root 3. Here both numbers same, so division come 1. Here 2 cancel, root 3. Here we cannot divide 1 by 0. We can divide 0 by any number, but we cannot divide any number by 0. So here not defined, means value is not coming. Now cosec means we know the inverse of sine. Inverse means here 0 upon 1, 1 upon 0, not defined. Okay, this is not defined because 0 upon 1, so 1 upon 0 we cannot divide. Inverse of this 2, inverse of this root 2, inverse of this 2 upon root 3, and inverse of 1 is 1. Okay, then sec is inverse of this one, so we can write this opposite of this one. Okay, inverse of cos is 1, inverse of 2 root 3, inverse of 1 upon root 2 is root 2. This is inverse, and this one 0 upon 1 means 1 upon 0, not defined. If we see this ratio also, cosec and sec is reverse here. So very easy to remember this. And cot is also the inverse of tan. Is 0 upon 1 means 1 upon 0, not defined. Here inverse of this root 3, inverse of this, inverse of root 3 upon 1 means 1 upon root 3. Here 1 upon 0, so inverse is 0 upon 1, it is 0. So like this you can find all these values. Now this year you have to study this sine, cos, tan. See how to find this sine value, already I told you. You just study this method, and how these values come, that total proof is given in the book. So that is very important. So using this, first now we have to see the example. See now, first example, sine, this one find cos and tan. I will explain this first example only by two methods. Then you have to study this one, and then you have to solve remaining questions by using this. Okay, so now see first one. This is by first method. Already you studied one formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So put the value of sin theta. 11 upon 61 square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here this one square 121, 61 square is 1 square is 1, 12, 3721 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This value is plus. When it goes that side, minus. Okay, here what is then LCM? LCM is, what is LCM? 3721. Okay, 3721. So cross multiplication, 3721 minus 121. So subtraction is 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 6, 3 and 3721. This is cos square theta. So what is cos theta then? Square root of this. This is the root of this 60 and this one is 61. So this is the value of cos theta. Okay. So easily you can find tan theta using this. Tan theta means what? Inverse of a ratio of sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta is 11 upon 61 and cos theta 60 upon 61. 61 cancel. So tan theta is equal to 11 upon 60. This is the one of the method. The second method is what? Here you have to use another method to find the root. Now how to find this one? See here. It is very simple. Here you can prepare one right angle triangle. Suppose this is ABC. This is the theta value. Okay. So which value is given? Sin theta is 11 upon 61. We know sin ratio means opposite side upon hypotenuse. If we assume this is theta, so opposite of this one is 11 and hypotenuse is what? 61. By using this ratio, this is one of the simple method. Easily you can find all ratios. Maybe you like this method. So you can use this method also. So in triangle ABC, you have to find this side by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. So if we apply, so what is it? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC? 61 square. AB 11 square plus BC square. 61, we know already found it. 3721. Is 11 square, we take left hand side, it become minus, is equal to BC square. So what is BC? BC square is 3600. Subtraction of these two. Already we found it. So BC is got 60. So we found BC 60. So easily we can find any ratio from this triangle. No? Now we want what? Cos theta and tan theta. So using this, if we have to find cos theta means adjacent upon hypotenuse. BC upon AC. What is BC? 60 upon 61. Easily you will get. Then tan theta means opposite upon adjacent, means AB upon BC. AB is 11 and BC is 60. See this one. Cos theta 60 upon 61. Here also 60 upon 61. Tan theta 11 upon 60. Tan theta 11. Means by using this method, easily you can find all the ratios. All means tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta for this method. And this one is you will get only one value and then you have to find remaining one. So another example we'll see. This is different one. So using the second method, we'll see this example. Okay. So easily you will understand this. See. Solution. Again, we'll prepare one right angle triangle. See this one. A, B, and this is C. Okay. This is theta. Now which value is given? Tan. Tan theta means opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is what? 1 and adjacent is 2 root 2 is given. So apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Put the value. AC is not given, we have to find. AB is 1 square, BC is 2 root 2 square. See then what come? 1 square is 1 plus this 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2. Root is removed because root is removed. So 1 plus 4 2s are 8. This is what? 9. This value is AC square. So what is AC? Taking the square root. It is 3. Means we found AC is 3. So easily you can find this tan theta is given. Means here what you have to find? These two ratios, sin theta and cos theta. So we know sin theta. Sin theta means opposite upon hypotenuse. AB upon AC. It is 1 upon 3. This is first value. And cos theta means this is theta, suppose adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is 2 root 2 upon 3. This is the both values of this one using the one of the simple method. Okay, now another part we'll see second question. Now remaining example you have to solve from this practice sheet 8.2. Just I solve two. The table is given. From the table you have to take the value and using this method you have to find all these ratios. So another example, find the value of. Now you know the value of 30, 40. Okay, so how to find this one? See here. 5 multiplied by sin 30. What is sin 30 value? Sin 30 already we found it here. See, sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Okay, so easily you can prepare that value and then you can solve this example. Suppose sin value you know na, sin 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Here 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2 and 1. If you remember this value remaining all you can find. Huh? Plus 3 tan 45. Okay, tan 45 means ratio of this one, cos inverse reverse of this 1 root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0. And tan means ratio of this one 0, this one 1 upon root 3, this is 1, here 2 cancel root 3, here not defined. Like this rough you can find all the values, then easily you can find. Then tan 45. Tan 45 is what? 1. So here 5 upon 2 plus 3. 3 ones are 3. Here no denominator means 1. So what is LCM? 2. Cross multiplication. 5 plus 2 3s are 6. So it is what? 11 upon 2. Any doubt about this? I think there is a no doubt. A simple example. 11 upon 2. So another example we'll see. 4 upon 5 into tan square 60. Tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 square. Okay. Plus 3 into sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, but it is square. So write in bracket that is square. So just what is given, you just put that value and find the answers. This 4 upon 5 as it is. Into root 3 square, we know root is removed, so it is 3. Plus 3 as it is. Multiply root 3 square means root is removed and 2 square is 4. Okay, 2 square is 4. So now this one 4 3s are 12 upon 5. 3 3s are 9 upon 4. We know LCM of this one. 5 4s are 20. Cross multiplication. 12 4s are 48. 5 9s are 45. So addition of this. 1393 upon 20. 93 upon 20. Any doubt? Very simple examples. One more example we'll see. Last one. Remaining you have to solve. See now cos 60. Now cos 60 here already we found it. It is 1 upon 2. Multiplied cos 30 root 3 upon 2. Okay. Plus sin 60 root 3 upon 2 and sin 30 1 upon 2. So many of the students they not observing here multiplication means you have to multiply numerator as numerator, denominator as denominator. Here no addition, just making the denominator same where it is when addition and subtraction. But if multiplication, then simply multiply this numerator as numerator, root 3, 2 2s are 4. That's his product. Plus root 3 plus 4. Now here this denominator is same addition is there, so write one time. So here root 3 plus root 3. So what is root 3 plus root 3? 2 root 3, not a root 6. Using the laws of surds, 2 root 3 upon 4. So here you can divide. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So it is root 3 upon 2 is the answer. So study it properly. Now this lesson is finished and try to solve this practice sheet 8.2. Thank you.